12 days ago, all of my social media accounts got hacked. I was just working like usual, editing a video, when suddenly I got a message from my friend, is your Discord hacked? Because I got some scammy messages from you. So I checked it out. I didn't think too much of it at the time, and I changed my password. It was fine. Few hours later though, I get a call from my friend that she can't find me on Facebook. My heart dropped. I tried to log in and I can't. So right away I started trying to retrieve it, because losing Facebook means losing Instagram. So many thoughts were going through my head of how much this can't be happening, how much I can't let this happen. I have to fix it somehow. I found on the 30th page of Google search on some old Reddit post a form where I can actually send an appeal, which now I have checked again on 2nd of July and it's not working anymore, at least for me. And in the middle of filling out that form, I lost access to my Google account, YouTube channel as well. Now I lost everything. Then I realized that the only explanation for all of this happening like this is that it has to be a virus. I ripped the cable out of the socket, I took my laptop and started researching how to clean up my PC from there. For 30 minutes, I had a plan, I turned it on, and it felt like I was fighting against the time, because I knew that I have to do everything as fast as possible. Because as soon as I turn on my PC, he has connection to it again, just like I do. I managed to clean it up. Once I did that, it was already 6 a.m. when I finished doing all of this. And then I started trying to retrieve my Instagram and YouTube again. And I found out that there is, sadly, just like with Meta, no human contact. I was researching so many posts. How do I connect to a human? Because whatever they have set up on their websites to help me save my accounts is not working. None of them are working. From the moment I found out what was happening until I first went to sleep was at least 18 hours, and I found out in the evening. During that night, I have not eaten, not drunk, I haven't slept. I didn't even open the window. And someone said, try to go on X, Twitter, and tag them, asking for help. I thought this is ridiculous. It's such a ridiculous idea, but what options do I have left? So I do. I go and they actually answer me, and I actually started a conversation with them through email, on my other email. And in the next 24 hours, I got it back, which was amazing, because I don't know how long could I stay sane knowing everything is gone. Now at least I have half of my career back, let's say, and I have protected myself. The thing is, I went to Google after that and I checked the security log, and I just see remove two-step verification, remove phone number, remove second email, remove passkey, remove this, everything, password changed, new passkey with a USB, by the way, which was so freaky to me that someone already made a USB that was the only option to log into my Google account. When I saw that, I already thought, okay, it's too late. Someone has a scary USB that has connection to everything I own. It was the end of fighting for my YouTube, for my Google account, but it was nowhere near the end of fighting for my Instagram, and I don't even know if the end is near, or will it ever happen. Although this night was scary and stressful and a little bit traumatic, for the next 2 weeks I spent at least 6 hours to even 8-9 hours of only chatting with Meta AI chatbot. And I have exhausted literally every single option. There is no combination of words that I have not tried to get some kind of help. I actually recovered my password. I had a way to go and log in, but they disabled it. By the way, on the video you're seeing right now, it now says we reviewed your account and it still doesn't follow our terms of service, which I would assume means that they actually took a look, but they did not send me any emails back. They didn't say anything personally to me. And also apparently I am not following the terms of service, which I have no idea what did I do wrong. Is getting hacked against the terms of service? Guess the explanation could be the AI being used to review my account and seeing that I apparently did something, which probably maybe the hacker did, and now I am getting blamed for it. Which again and again and again, if a person actually took a look at my account, at the logs, at me losing access and then something bad happening, they would know, use their human brain and just enable my account back on. But yeah. Because the AI chatbot can't turn it back on and all of the links it's sending me will not work. I have some recordings of that. I will show you how incredibly ridiculous it is to chat with this chatbot. And you will only see a little fraction of the ridiculousness and stupidity of chatting with it. But that's only a little bit. It's a fraction of now more than 100 of hours of trying to get it to work. And maybe you'll say it's stupid, but I would wake up every day, start right away, opening my laptop, checking if there's something new. There was never something new. Trying to chat with the bot again, repeating the same actions, which is stupid. I know, but what else am I supposed to do? And obviously never anything ever worked. Nothing worked ever. So I would have the same conversation a few times a day, sometimes getting something new and getting excited. Maybe it will work. It never did. And then getting one information that's telling me, oh, your account is disabled permanently. I can't help you and you can't help yourself. So it's gone. And then on the other hand, something contradicting like, oh, I have triggered the protocol, so it gives me hope, but then never anything happened afterwards. Trying the same recovery options it was giving me over and over and over again, thinking maybe this time it will work, maybe this time it will finally realize that this device I am using for the last 4 years or more from the same Wi-Fi is my trusted device, although it does say still that it is not. It's dumb, but what else am I supposed to do? This is my only option, which is not helping. And it's repeating itself constantly. And maybe every 5 hours I'll get something new, a little sprinkle of hope. Because it says, maybe try this link specifically for business owners. I'm like, oh my God, I have not received this link before. Maybe this one will work. And I click on it. And obviously, and I should have known, the page is just unavailable. Or it's sending me to the frequently asked questions. What am I supposed to do with frequently asked questions? By the way, a week later, I tried talking to Meta AI chatbot again, and it sent me a new link. And I'm gonna show you the link that it sent me. Business support. This is literally what AI chatbot sent me to get help. I've asked hundreds of times, can you now maybe connect me to a human? No, I can't. That is not an issue that a human support is handling. But I can't handle it either. So there's no way of handling it. You can work for 10 years, build community for 10 years, actually spend thousands of dollars on advertisements on Facebook, by the way, which I used sometimes, so they can earn money off of me. And then when I am in such a dire situation where I just need 2 minutes, I just needed 2 minutes, and I still need 2 minutes of a human just taking a look and seeing, okay, this person got hacked, the account got disabled, let's enable it back on. Let's confirm this is her and just enable it back on. It's 2 minutes and it's 10 years of my life and my livelihood that's under question mark right now. But I can't. It's impossible for me to get it to a human. And if it is possible, in all of those hours I have spent searching for a way I haven't found. By making this video, I don't only want to share my story, I want to ask you, so many great brains that maybe are a little bit smarter than me and maybe know how to solve this issue. Maybe you do know how to find a person that can help me. Maybe there is a way. I am pretty... And so my account of 400,000 followers was gone with no sign of it ever coming back as of right now. If there's any way of you helping me, then please do. I don't know what to ask because I don't even know what I need. I mean, I need a human. I don't know how to get it. They have not responded to my video, to my appeal form for those 2 weeks, they didn't even at least tell me like, we received it and we are putting it in a queue, so maybe I can sleep normally, I can be a little bit more at peace that something is happening, because right now it seems like no one is gonna see it, and it's lost forever. It was my dream since a long time, since forever I wanted to draw, and then I started to make the dream come true when I was 15, and then it actually came true, and I was so appreciative. I always appreciated it so much, but I'm gonna still keep fighting to be able to do it. Yeah, I just don't want to give up on it. I will never give up on it, you know? So yeah, maybe this video will help me get it somewhere. Maybe someone will hear that can help me. I also want to tell you guys that use Instagram, artists on Instagram, artists on YouTube, to be really, really wary of these things, because you can be protected as much as you want, but you never know what can happen. Because I was protected and it just happened just like that. I guess maybe get a better antivirus than I did. And I'm never the person to say I wouldn't wish something on my worst enemy. But this, actually, I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. This, awful to go through. Which people might not understand as much, but maybe you do. Thank you for watching. And yeah. Hopefully, maybe I'll see you in the next video where I'm actually just drawing. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.